Hey there, young explorers! Welcome to a world where things get super tiny and super amazing. Today I'm going to tell you about something called quantum physics. Don't worry, it's going to be fun and easy to understand. Alright, imagine you're playing with your favorite toy blocks. You can see them, touch them, and stack them up. But what if I told you there's an even tinier world inside those blocks? A world so small, you can't see it with your eyes. That's the world of quantum physics. In this tiny world, we have these little particles called atoms. Atoms are like the building blocks of everything around us. But guess what? Even inside those atoms, there are even tinier particles called electrons, protons, and neutrons. Now, here's where things get really interesting. In the quantum world, particles don't always behave like we expect them to. Sometimes they act like tiny balls, and other times they act like waves. It's a bit like magic. Imagine you have a tiny ball that can be in two places at once. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what happens in the quantum world. This is called superposition. It's like your toy being in your hand and in the toy box at the same time. Another cool thing is called entanglement. Think of it like having twin toys. If one toy moves, the other one moves too, even if they're far apart. It's like they have a secret connection. Pretty neat, huh? Okay, let's talk about another fun idea called the uncertainty principle. Imagine you're playing hide and seek with a super fast friend. You can either know where they are or how fast they're moving, but not both at the same time. That's what happens with tiny particles. Now, you might be wondering, why is this important? Well, quantum physics helps us understand how everything in the universe works, from the stars in the sky to the tiny gadgets we use every day. And guess what? Even though it's super tiny, and seems a bit like magic, scientists are using quantum physics to create amazing new technologies, like super fast computers and super secure ways to send messages. So, the next time you look at your toys, remember there's a whole tiny, magical world inside them. And who knows? Maybe one day you'll be a quantum physicist discovering even more amazing things. Thanks for joining me on this quantum adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you had fun. See you next time, explorers.